I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying compatibility and safety. Identify the lock's control interface, relay, TTL, or RF, and why it matters. It determines which remote module you use. Once done, remove the lock cover, photograph original wiring for reference, and cut power to avoid shorts. Make sure to have a 512V regulated supply ready. This prevents damaging electronics. Hook up a multimeter to confirm voltage if readings are unstable. Correct the power first. Now you wire the remote module to the lock's trigger circuit because correct wiring controls actuation reliably. First, mount the module where RF is unobstructed. Metal cabinets reduce range. Then connect module V+, G and D, and the control output to the lock's trigger or relay terminals. If the lock uses higher voltage, add an optocoupler or diode to isolate signals and protect the module. Tighten connectors, solder joints, and secure wiring to prevent vibrations from loose. To finish, restore power and test the remote close-up, because initial faults show up at short range. If the lock responds, test from the intended operating distance. Make sure antenna orientation is optimal. Once confirmed, seal the enclosure and label wires for maintenance. If it fails, first verify power rails and ground. Next, check the module's status LED and measure trigger continuity to the lock. If interference persists, relocate the module or add an external antenna for better range.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.